Here I have Samsung Galaxy J3 2017, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to check IMEI and serial by using a secret code. Let's open the phone's dialer, let's activate the keypad, and let's use this code *#06#. As you can see, the IMEI number and serial number pops up. You can also use the barcodes to these numbers. Tap OK. Now let's go back. And let me show you how to check IMEI and serial by using the settings. Let's open the list of all apps, choose settings, scroll down and select about phone. As you can see here, you've got the serial number and IMEI number right here. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.